What's going on, guys? MD Creekmore here from mdcreekmore.com. Today I'm going to be taking a look at the Outlaw Gear 2 Slinger Pack. This thing right here. 3V Gear sent me this pack a few days ago, and it came in a big white type plastic envelope. I took it out of that envelope, but I left it in this clear plastic bag because I wanted to actually take this out of the bag in front of you all so you could get my first impressions of this bag. This is a tactical shoulder bag. It's meant to be thrown over one shoulder and got a strap that comes across the front. But let's take it out of the package here and I'll show you more about that. I can explain it better if I take it out of the package. You can see it has a shoulder strap, and this strap is made to just sling over your shoulder. I haven't adjusted this or anything to know how it really fits me right now. I have it out of the package like I said. But it goes on the shoulder like so, and then the other strap comes around and hooks into here. And it's made to be able to unhook that strap and then bring it around the front of your body where you have your pouch here, and you can have your zippers and things right here, and everything is right here. You can open it up, and everything is right here in front. You can get what you need out, close it back up, and then put it back around behind. So it's made to be convenient that way. But anyway, let's take a look at how this thing's put together. The shoulder strap is, as you can see, is really thick and wide, and it's padded, and that's good. Looks like the snaps here are made really good and really strong. I don't feel no give in it at all. They're really robustly made. The only thing I saw on the website that people complained about was some people said the zippers had actually came loose and messed up on their pack. The majority of the comments of people that bought this pack had all good things to say. As usual, there's always someone that will complain about something, but if the zippers are giving out, that's not a good sign. But overall, it feels like it zips and unzips really well. It's you can see here it's MOLLE compatible, and this looks like it's sewn at military specs. Lots and lots of pockets. Like these comes off, so you can change these to whatever you want up here. Nice deep pocket. Another nice pocket, has a lot of inside pockets for organization in here, as you can see. Lots of pockets for organization. Pretty nice. Main pocket. As you can see, it looks really good. Lots of, this looks like right here is a padding compartment for a laptop. That's what that is. And another zipper compartment with the mesh type covers. So you can actually, with this type of covers, you can put your things in here, and you can easily see with this mesh what gear is in here, so you know where it's at when you go to look for it quickly at first glance. Another pocket. So that's plenty of pockets, and it looks like it's well made. The straps are well made. It looks like everything is sewn really well. It's really strong looking thread all the way through, as you can see. It's sewn all the way through with like good strong looking thread through there. And I don't think I have any trouble with it giving out or breaking or anything. Woo! It don't give. Didn't hear anything tear or anything, so it holds fairly well, apparently. It's a good looking bag. It'd be a really good everyday carry bag, I think. Like I said, the only thing is people complain about some of these zippers actually coming apart and not working after a few months. But anyway, I will load this thing up, and I'll carry this bag myself and use this bag. I'm going to carry this bag in my truck. I will do another video in a few days about the truck kit or car kit, the get home bag. This is a bag that you keep at like in your vehicle, or you keep at work, or you keep at school like you're in college, and you keep a bag that has your gear to get back home, your get back home bag. I'm gonna stock this thing up with gear to get back home, and I will come back here in a couple of weeks and I will show you this bag. I'm going to throw this back around a little bit and use it some and give you another impression of this bag after I used it and tried it out some. But overall it looks pretty good to me right now. It's made out of it's actually made out of 600D PVC polyester type material, and the material is guaranteed for a lifetime, so that's good. Like I said, I think the only thing about this bag that might cause problems, and that's because I read in the comments on the website that some people had trouble with the zippers, like I said, coming loose. But to me the zippers look strong, so, and I'd rather have metal zippers, but it's hard to find metal zippers on anything anymore. But overall, it's a good looking bag, lots of pockets, lots of organization. I think it'd be good for a bug out bag, or like I said, a get home bag, everyday carry bag. But I really like the fact that when this thing is on your back like so, that it's made to bring around to the front, where you have up here, as you can see, your zipper compartment. You can unzip up here and get to your stuff inside the bag really easily. And then when you get done, you just zip it back up and then just take it right back around to the back again. Quick and easy. With the backpack, you just take the whole backpack off and set it down, go through your pockets and things, and then put it back on. With this, it's really easy. Just bring it around. You're right here, your zipper's right here, get to your stuff, and then just slide it back around on the go. So that's one thing I like about this pack the most, is that right there. But like I said, overall I think this will make a really good everyday carry pack or a get home bag. And I will take and stock this thing up with the gear that I think a person should have in their get home bag. It should be carried in the vehicle, or like I said, at work or at school or something like that, to get back home should a disaster happen while you're away from home. But I will load this thing up in a week or so. I'll bring you back and I will show you this pack loaded up with the gear to get back home, and we'll take a look at the pack, a closer look at how everything goes in the pack, and it'll be like a part 2 of this review. Well, anyway guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. And as always, if you haven't subscribed yet, then feel free to subscribe and turn notifications to notify you when I upload a new video. Also, check in the description below for a link to 3V gear. We can check this bag out. Like I said, it's $45 and it has a lifetime guarantee.